Hi, Colton. All right, thank you so much for including your work here. I need to make a couple of recommendations and clarifications. It looks like you have misinterpreted some of the intent, or I should say, some of the intended outcomes of this assignment. So let's go over this assignment real quick. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to ask you to resubmit the first iteration because this one has some things, some areas that um, could be improved in terms of adhering to the project requirements. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to jump over to the assignment page. Here it is right here. So this is the week one assignment, part one, trial by fire, banana, first iteration. I know it's a mouthful, but that's the page that I'm looking at right now. You can see these assignment directions right here. Download and print the letter forms provided. Now this is Franklin Gothic font typeface set in 200 point, okay? And that is located in the references activity item, I'm sorry, in the references area of the classroom. I'll show you that in a second. But then what you're going to do is once that opens, you're going to trace in pencil. So I noticed in your submission you said freehand, but this isn't a freehand assignment. You're supposed to trace these. So if we go back to the assignment, you can see that you're supposed to trace in pencil the word banana on a piece of 11 by 14 marker paper. Though we have not covered yet, this is your objective to achieve what you would believe to be normal letter spacing. Your letters must be filled back with a pencil, and you will be graded on two things: your ability to achieve normal letter spacing and execution. That is, your tracings must be as perfect and smooth and clean as possible. So that not only includes craft, how neat and clean it is, but also the degree in which you follow the requirements in execution. So let me show you where this is. So if we go to the course references area right here, and that is just listed right in the course resources. So if basically what you want to do is here, let me show you. So you go right over to the preview area, right there, preview, and then come over to references, click references, and right down here, week one banana PDF. Okay, now when you open that up, this is what you're going to have, this document right here. Nope, there's a capital B, an A, and an N. That's all you get. So you have to assemble the word banana using normal letter spacing and establishing a baseline, mean line, and cap line like you've done here. Okay, but this one's using a non-specified typeface. So basically what you want to do is you want to do this exact same thing that you did, but use these letters to assemble the word banana. Another thing I would recommend is to try to keep your baseline, mean line, and cap line. They're pretty they're pretty accurate. I mean, this looks like, yeah, they're almost perfect. So that's great. Good job on those. But again, we want to establish the word banana using this Franklin Gothic typeface. Okay. Now, again, two other things I want to recommend is please feel free to go. Let me see where. Here I am right here. I want you to go and take a look at. There's only a couple of posts before yours. Natalie's, and there's a video critique for Natalie's, and then Trisha's, where there's a video critique for Trisha's. I would like you to take a look at those video critiques and apply what you learn in those videos to your own work for the first submission. Okay. And again, like I said, I really would like you to resubmit the first submission. We'll make comments. You can adjust that and then resubmit on Sunday for your final iteration of a trial by fire banana. Okay. So, and then one other thing I want to draw your attention to is the announcements area of the classroom. Okay, so in the announcements area, I would recommend that you get used to taking a look at this every single week, maybe even 2 or 3 times a week, as I sometimes populate this intermittently during the week with supplemental information. However, at the very least, you can count on at least one good, solid, in-depth announcement every week. It's posted by Monday morning by the time you get into the class, and typically an announcement looks like this. You've got a video, and the video explains the week, the assignments, the presentations, any caveats, tips and tricks, etc., to get you through the week, right? So it's really important that you take a look at these announcements. The videos, and then here's another video here, and then getting started. Here's some resources here, learning outcomes, tasks, deliverables and due dates. So it's basically one-stop shopping that really ensures that students follow the assignments and are understanding what's expected of in each week. Okay, that said, I know I just threw a lot at you, so if you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to make any necessary clarifications. However, so that's what I'd like you to do and resubmit. Now listen, Colton, if you have any questions at all, please let me know quickly. I'm really good about getting back pretty much immediately. I mean, quite typically I get back within a matter of hours. So if you have any questions, please repost them here. and then go ahead and repost your first iteration of Banana. We'll go ahead and make a video, critique comments. You can apply those comments to your final iteration due Sunday. Okay, sound good? All right, Colton, thanks very much.